Hello, today we're gonna do the safari. We have these animals to use, and we're gonna use all of these to make the water, the sand, the land,
and we have these mystery eggs,
which could be dough, sand, slime, and
that's it.
Clay.
Okay, so let's get started. First, we need this to make it look like the ground, which is dust.
And I've got the opener to open it.
And I'm gonna first open it because the sand is the big.
It made a big sound. So she's using that while I'm using this.
And then I got this.
And then I've got this. It's more.
I'm gonna stretch it out to make it stretchy. And then here's some of your slime.
Oh,
Ooh, nice.
Weird. You should try to buy this, but
I'm gonna try to make it stretchy. Ready?
See?
Can you let this go for a sec? Good. Never mind.
Okay, so let's.
I'm gonna try to stretch it out.
Me too. And
use the ground, the white ground.
What white ground? This orange?
No, the table by itself.
Oh. The table will also be with that.
so I'm trying to get all that slime. And now I'm stretching it out. There's a hole, and there's not supposed to be a hole.
It's supposed to be grass.
And I'm gonna just go.
It's supposed to be grass. It's supposed to be like around this, not on this, but around it. But you should leave this a little open because there's going to be a pond for animals to drink out of. So, yep.
I'm gonna start by making little pieces.
It's supposed to be like you take it and then you make it look pointy and make it around, not on this though. Okay, I got the blue now because I need it for the pond here.
And I'm gonna make the trees. So I'm trying to make the grass. Just picking it. And then I'm gonna also do this. And just pull different directions. This is good practice because tomorrow I'm going to be doing clay and art. So now I'm going to,
Green.
This is green.
and then I'm going to open this.
Oh, you have to put that in the water.
And
Once I'm done with it. Put it in the water, but I'm not done with the water.
so this is for the water.
And some on the grass.
You didn't try?
And I'm just going to squish this. And it's kind of hard, so let's poke a little.
And I'm gonna flatten this out so that my nardos can put the rocks in.
And let's start making the rocks. Let's start by putting them in circles. And I'm gonna,
Since she's almost done, I'm gonna start putting the animals in, and then we'll get into the mystery eggs. Because this, what did I say about the grass? It's supposed to be taken here and pointed around the thing so that the animals stay here. And then I'm gonna use some for the water.
And I'm gonna just keep going. This slime is a bit sticky because we haven't used it.
And because slime is sticky,
I'm gonna put some rocks everywhere.
I'm gonna put some to guide it.
I'm just guiding it
Bless you.
so the animals just don't go like
Bless
this
you.
into the water. Because then it would be crazy. So I'm gonna spread out rocks.
And next, animals. Gonna make it look.
I'm gonna get some animals. So
I'm gonna get a turtle for the waddle.
I'm gonna get
Squirrel doesn't live in the savannah.
well, sometimes.
No, squirrels don't live in the savannah.
Well, it's an animal.
Yeah, but not all animals live in the savannah.
We're just gonna take them out because, like, they're sticking. Oh.
Pretty sure there's not whale.
It's because of the slime.
There are
You don't need them all.
I'll put a duck.
It's on
Wow.
And then maybe there's frogs.
I'm gonna get one of these lions and a slime.
What's that noise?
I'm gonna.
Wait, can I see if there's anything I need? This is a penguin.
This little squirrel right here.
Okay. What is this? A rabbit? Oh, that's
These
sharp.
animals
Are super sticky.
because of the last animal hunt, we've
Rabbits live
got
and rocks. I think I added a bit too many rocks.
Don't make too many
and
animals
then I'm gonna show.
on your
Sharks don't live there.
I know, but
I'm gonna take this out so you can put it here.
I'm gonna add. I'm gonna get a little box. Wow, this is hard. And a deal. So,
I don't think I'm gonna need this.
box and a deal. So the lion's close because he wants to eat the deal. Because, you know, lions eat deal, blah, blah.
I'm gonna put an owl on the tree. I think.
And I'm gonna get
And then I have a
bear.
flower that I'll put the flower on the rock like this. And then I'll put here
And
the
then
owl.
I'm gonna add this.
For a branch.
Run through.
A branch. Don't you know the branches?
I've got an axolotl.
Do you want leaves or?
Branch like the brown.
These are hard to rip apart, but we've got them.
What are we doing?
Right there, there's an
This
axolotl,
one we go on the very.
seal,
For that brown?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
and then
didn't you put it in a plastic bag?
No, I didn't. Oh,
I'm gonna
That's
put
what
the
I'm
duck
thinking.
on land because some ducks are on land.
I don't need it.
The crab, which is gonna be right here, Mr. Krabby Pants.
I think you added a bit too much.
And then I want a sheep. Right there.
I think that's a bit too much.
And the chicken. Chicken banana.
I think I might need one. All right, giraffe.
She's lucky.
And then one more I might need. Ooh, duck.
Duck.
A duck doesn't live on water. I mean, it does live on water, but not always on. Ooh, I want a bird.
I want the boat. And
I want the blue turtle. Wait, what is this?
that I'm not so put right about here.
What the fuck? What is it? Decorate it. Make it decor. What?
She didn't get
What do you
any,
want?
like,
Three?
stuff or anything. Here, you can have this tree. I already have the tree. Froggy.
Now I'm gonna get the
I
tree.
don't need this froggy.
That there.
Around. Make it
Purple
around.
duck. That I'll put right here.
I'll take out the boat to put him on the tree.
And I'll take this. What is this?
And it's falling. I'm just gonna
blue
put the blue right there. And
Rip it, peel it, rip it.
that there.
And I think I might put this turtle right here because not all turtles
Vines are surrounding it.
on.
So it doesn't fall.
I'll put
Please
the
don't
giraffe
fall.
here, pretending to eat.
He's just gonna.
Turtle here, near the water.
So now I'm ready to open one of the mystery eggs.
Put these back. I don't think I need a crocodile. For me?
Around. Far away from the green. Make it far away from the green.
I'm gonna put it right there. So now the mystery eggs.
Not for this, like to make it.
So
I'm gonna take.
the blue and the purple.
To the
Let's get this.
this.
And I'm gonna take.
Like that.
from the green to the
Here?
water.
To
Yes.
here. Oh,
So
here.
I'm gonna get this
No,
one.
Oh, it
So
has
it's-
purple, but I don't want purple.
It's you're supposed to shake
I
it.
have a good feeling about orange, though.
I have a good
Orange is-
feeling about blue.
I think I trust purple. I trust
So-
the purple.
It's slime going clay, whatever is in it. I think it's slime. What do you think? Do it in the
Comment down below.
Tell us in the comments. I got this mystery slime. It's different colors.
Ooh, and I got this nice watery pink.
I'm gonna save this. It looks so good.
I think this.
And then
I
I'm
think
gonna
I'll
put
put
it
this
back
back.
in the egg.
Then we'll check a different one.
I'm gonna check the pink.
Where
It's
is the
always
mystery
good.
go?
It's always good to get a different one each time.
We're gonna both look. I'm gonna look at green.
And we're gonna both look at green because we already opened yellow. And
Ooh, nice and orange. I feel like this is dough.
I got the clay.
Now I'm gonna look at green. I'll just make this white.
And I'm gonna look at the already opened yellow. Okay, so this is what's in it.
I wonder what's in green. Oh, it's green slime.
I've got clay again.
I
Well, it might be dough.
I like the pink, the purple one. Hey, you didn't open pink, I did. And then
So
let me look
these
at
are all
orange.
the ones I opened, so I'm gonna keep them.
You're putting them back. And this is what green looks like. Nice and squishy.
Little decoration for the animal park.
Okay.
Like this, you see? Although
Nice.
for animals who are hiding here. Oh, see, beautiful.
I guess I can make the Ooh.
But I wanna hold it.
Good. What is that? Oh, crabby dance. Put the crab here. Crabby here.
And
And
I'm gonna whip
add
this
this
off.
like right here. So I'm gonna add this here as an animal's hiding place. So that like if there's some animal, one of the animals can go in.
So that's our show today, and
We are
ta-ta.
What is it
Goodbye
then? What
to
is it
you.
then?
so mine
It's
is
flow. Water flow
yeah.
from the sea to...
From this part of my area all the way to Nardos's. So what we're doing is like
An animal.
this is like my safari. Hers looks more like a forest. Mine's a safari with some water in it, and then
I
there's
have a
some
little
animals living
lake.
that I connected.
So
Yeah, we're done. Bye. See you next time.